Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Shriniket. Are you ready for the oral test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just wait for 5 minutes, then we will start. Shriniket, you just revise for the test. Let the other students also join the class and then we will start, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you have any other class before this class, Shriniket?
Yes, ma'am. We had max class.
So it was over or not?
Yes, ma'am. It was over. Sir told to write one question, and whoever wrote it can leave. And all people left.
Okay, maybe they will join in 1 or 2 minutes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pranav, are you ready for the test? Pranav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you ready for the test?
No, I'm still preparing.
Still preparing. Why? Why? Just prepare for it fast.
Okay.
And your video should be on, Pranav. Varun, what about you? I am giving you 2 minutes to revise. After that, I am going to start the questions. Varun, what about you? Are you ready for the test? Varun? Am I audible? Varun, I am asking to you. Left. Okay, Pranav and Shiriniket, right now we are going to start the question practice. Okay. I hope that in the next class you will learn the concept and will be able to give the oral test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. No excuse will be accepted in the next class. Hmm. My first question is, what are amphoteric oxides? Who will answer?
Ma'am, compounds interact with both acids and bases.
Who will answer that what are amphoteric oxides?
Ma'am, compounds that will react with both acids and bases.
Correct. Compounds that react with acids and bases. Or basically, you will say that these are not the compounds, these are the oxides, basically, the oxides that react with both acids and bases. That's why we call as amphoteric oxides. If you don't specify the word oxide, then you will get 0 marks. Clear?
Ma'am, like they can be acidic or basic depending on the thing they're
Yeah,
reacting, right?
they can be acidic or basic. We have two types of oxides, na? Metal oxides and non-metal oxides. Just give an example. So
Ma'am,
I can
zinc
write,
oxide and aluminum oxide.
yeah, basically metal oxides that show both acidic and basic nature. For example, we can take either aluminium oxide or we can take zinc oxide, as these are the only two metals that are amphoteric oxides. If it has been asked to write a reaction, then you will write that if it reacts with acid, the product that you will get is aluminium chloride along with the formation of water. One thing that you must remember, that whenever you write a chemical reaction in the exam, then the reaction must be balanced. Either it has been asked to balance or not, but your reaction should be balanced. Clear? So if we balance this, we will get this one. Make it a habit that you will write always a balanced reaction. If it reacts with a base, what it will form? What we call that compound? What we call that compound? What we call that compound? I am not getting.
Can you repeat the question what you said?
Yeah, I am asking that what we call this compound, NaAlO2.
Ma'am, I think sodium aluminate or something.
Correct. We will call it as sodium aluminate. Okay. Next question that you have is, after doing the revision, I will take a written test and I will allow only those students in the class who will switch on their camera. I will check only those papers. Non-metals cannot show displacement reaction with acids. Why? Suppose you have any acid and you want to react it with a non-metal. Any non-metal that you can say? Name any non-metal. Name any non-metal. Suppose say I have written A. Okay. I said that A does not show any displacement reaction. It means what? A is not able to displace hydrogen. Correct? If it is not displacing hydrogen, means H positive is not releasing to make H2 gas. That's why my reaction is not happening over here. Clear? So we can say non-metals are electron acceptors. That's why they cannot supply electrons to convert.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
so they cannot displace hydrogen ions.
Huh.
Okay.
Because A is not able to displace hydrogen. Why it is not able to displace hydrogen? Because it is a non-metal and it always accepts electron. If it is displacing hydrogen, means it is releasing H positive ions. And H positive ion must be converted into H2 gas.
Okay.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next question is, hydrogen is not a metal. Yet it is placed in series of metals. Hydrogen is a not a metal, but we have a metal reactivity series, right? In metal reactivity series, we have a hydrogen in the center. This here we have also discussed this thing. So if it is not a metal, so why it is placed in metal reactivity series?
Ma'am, because hydrogen has a property to lose electron and behave like a similar to like a metal.
Correct. Very good. Like metals, hydrogen can lose an electron to form H positive ion. Clear? The next question is aluminium is more reactive than iron according to metal reactivity series, yet its corrosion is less than that of iron. Why? Iron corrodes easily, but aluminium does not.
Ma'am, we also use it for packing because it forms a layer around itself, ma'am. It forms a oxide layer, aluminum.
Correct. As aluminium reacts with oxygen and it forms aluminum oxide, which is further a protective layer. And it protects further corrosion. So aluminium, I think only Varun has read this chapter. Rest, no one has studied. Aluminium reacts with oxygen in atmosphere and forms a strong positive layer of oxide which protects metal. Clear, Varun?
Yes, ma'am.
From further corrosion. Now, next question is, you have a metal M. A metal M is, this is a case study based question. A metal M is stored under kerosene. So I think 90% idea you will get that which metal is stored under kerosene. Which metal it is that is stored under kerosene?
Ma'am, sodium.
Sodium and potassium both. Okay, so it
Yes.
react or it vigorously catches fire. If it is vigorously catching fire means it may be sodium. If a small piece of metal is kept open in air, dissolution of this metal in water releases great amount of energy and metal catches fire. Now you have to tell me, name the metal M. What is the name of the metal M? What is M according to you?
Sodium and potassium.
It is only sodium
And
as
why
it
not
is catching
potassium?
fire. So M is sodium.
And why not potassium?
Because potassium doesn't catches fire that vigorously that happens in case of sodium. And we can keep the potassium open, but never say put the sodium captain open. Na? Next question is, write formula of compound formed when this is exposed to air. What is the formula of the compound? When it is exposed to air, means sodium reacts with oxygen.
Ma'am, NaO.
And no, it is Na2O, beta. As the valency of sodium is 1 and oxygen is -2. Okay. Why is metal M stored under kerosene?
Ma'am, because it vigorously reacts with air or the atmosphere.
Yeah. Because they can catch fire if kept open. Next question is, if oxide of this metal is treated with HCl, what would be the products? Now, if a metal oxide reacts with acid, what will be the product? Metal oxide reacts with acid to give salt and water. We have discussed this in acid, bases and salts. Now my metal oxide is what? It is Na2O. And when Na2O reacts with HCl, it will form NaCl along with the formation of water. So my products are sodium chloride and water. Clear? Write reaction for. First is M with air. You have to write the reaction. So here M is what? It is sodium, and sodium reacts with oxygen. It will form sodium oxide. And I earlier said that you have to always write the balanced reaction. Next is M with water. So when metal yani sodium reacts with water, it will form sodium hydroxide. So sodium reacts with water, it will form sodium hydroxide along with the formation of hydrogen gas and heat. So if you balance it, what we will get? We will get 2Na, 2H2O and this one. And next is M oxide means metal oxide with HCl that we have discussed earlier also. Then it will form Na2O plus HCl along with the formation of NaCl plus H2O gas. It will be 2HCl and 2 NaCl. Is it clear to you? Any doubt in these 5 questions? Just note down these 5 questions, then we will move further. These type of questions you can easily see in the exams. Just note it down. Note it down fast. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Completed, ma'am.
I will check that who has written or not. And during writing, if you found any doubt, then you can ask.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, is it a property of aluminum to form a layer of oxide, ma'am?
No, it is not a property. The only property is that aluminium forms that type of oxides that is resistant for further corrosion. That is the property of aluminium. As all the metals forms a oxide layer, but only aluminium is that one that forms a protective layer.
Ma'am, but even iron forms a oxide layer, right, ma'am?
Yeah, iron also forms oxide layer, but it doesn't prevent the further corrosion. That's why
Okay.
it get corrodes. But aluminium protects from further corrosion.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, once can you share the second question?
Second,
Second question.
this one.
Ma'am, answer also of the second question.
Over, ma'am.
Okay. You can show it to me that whether you have done or not. Just
Ma'am,
show
can
me
you
first.
only four questions, ma'am?
No, 5 questions are there.
Ma'am, can you show the fifth question?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down? Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave. Whosoever has completed can leave.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Niharika, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm doing the fifth question, the last one.
Okay, do it, beta.
Okay, ma'am, I'm done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.